Look at Oman. It's Oman tomato. It's 390 buys only, and they are so nice. You can just pick without you choosing. Yeah. So I'm going to get 10. I'm going to get 10. Hang on. So you can just pick. It's just the size that you will be worried about because they are very big and they are fresh and they are nice tomatoes. These are tomatoes from Oman. See how nice their tomatoes are? Wow, it's nice for salad. Look at their color. Look at their sizes. They are perfect. Wow, nice one. Okay, you don't need to pick anymore. You will not be worrying if they are rotten or not because you just keep picking, pick. But I want something crunchy, so I have to pick this one. Crunchy. There you go. And more tomatoes. That's it. I think that's okay for me now. I have to go to the counter. Do I need to buy something there? Nothing.